Well, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, I completely take your point, and it is nobody's case that the Twitter does not have double standards. Of course, they have double standards, and we've seen that on display. Whether it is the question of the Singapore variant versus the Indian variant. But I have the right to needle you, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. If I don't ask questions to lawmakers and policy makers and the government, how will Janta get their jawab? And that
Navika,
jawab, I have the right
Navika,
to see.
half a second. You have Navika, you have got every right to ask the most aggressive and disturbing questions. But if you'll call my country, India, a banana republic, then you will be strongly repudiated, which I am repudiating you. India is not a banana republic.
Well, if we are not a banana republic, prove it to Mr. Law Minister, because I'm saying to you that you quoted two instances. When you explained that you've been tough on Twitter and it took you time to make them take your point of view. One was the Ladakh issue. The second was the issue of the Red Fort. And on both issues, Twitter gave you back lectures. My only question and my only limited political question in this is, but you lost. Ladakh के issue पे आपने अपना संयम नहीं खोया, आपने अपना गुस्सा नहीं खोया, आपने रेड फोर्ट वाले इशू पर भी उनको लॉन्ग रोप दी, लेकिन टूलकिट के इशू पे रविशंकर प्रसाद को गुस्सा आ गया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये पॉलिटिकली आपकी पार्टी को डैमेज करता था या सवाल पूछता था, ये रीजन है. ये मेरा पूछने का हक है.
नाविका कुमार, माफ करिए मोहतरमा नाविका कुमार, हमने उनके खिलाफ क्या क्या कार्रवाई की शिष्ट भाषा में, ये मुझे आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. उन्होंने कैसे लद्दाख का ये पूरा मैप को ठीक किया, या बाकी जो इंडिया वेरिएंट की बात थी उस पर हमने क्या क्या किया. क्या मैं आपके सामने बताना शुरू करूं कितने मॉफ्ड इमेजेस पर हमको कंप्लेन भेजते हैं, कितने महिलाओं के साथ जो कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग पोजीशन से उनको डिफेम करते हैं, उस पर हमने क्या क्या कार्रवाई की है. ये हमारी लंबी सूची है, इस पर मुझे आपके यहाँ नहीं बताना है. बट सिंस यू आस्क्ड मी ऑन ए स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, let me tell you, did we ignite the police investigation process? We did not. If Congress party goes and complain and the entire veracity of that complaint is a matter of police investigation and scrutiny, what will happen? Police will say the complaint is false, then the law will take its own course in trial. If they say no, Sambit Patra or anyone is in the wrong, the law will take its own course. That's the laws of India. And just to repeat, Banana Republic, I have got the Supreme Court order before me of September 2019. They have dictated. It is binding on me, it is binding on you, Navika, it is binding on Twitter, it is binding on Facebook. That is why India is governed by rule of law and not a banana republic, which you have said, which is indeed regrettable to say the least. Now coming to this point of view, then they don't cooperate in investigation, police will take its own course. I am not sitting here to... But the point is, then they rush to Chhattisgarh. Therefore, instead of asking Congress the question, you are saying that we got rattled. We have nothing to do with investigation at all. A complaint has been filed by them. The police is investigating. Beyond that, I have nothing to say. But don't take it as a ground that we got jittery because of all this.